Today we'll reminisce MS Dhoni's best knocks from each year of the Indian Premier League. It seems like the lockdown kids have forgotten the man with the Midas touch, so let's remind them who MS Dhoni really is. Starting with the inaugural edition of the IPL. Against RCB at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, CSK were off to a poor start, losing 3 wickets for just 83 runs in 12 overs. MS Dhoni saved the day and the match for Chennai Super Kings with a 30-ball 65, taking apart a bowling lineup featuring Zaheer Khan, Dale Steyn, Praveen Kumar and Jack Kallis. In the next year, in a rain-curtailed match at the Centurion, during a high-scoring encounter against Kings 11 Punjab, MS Dhoni showed his greatness. With a staggering strike rate of 207, he scored a brilliant and a rapid half-century that proved he could dominate even in South African conditions. Next up is a knock that cemented MS Dhoni's aura as a legendary finisher. At the magnificent Dharamshala Stadium, CSK faced a must-win game. A loss would have knocked them out of the tournament. Chasing a massive 193, a distant dream in 2010, CSK needed 45 runs off the final 20 balls. That day, Dhoni smashed the KXIP bowlers out of the park. After hitting the winning runs, he celebrated with the famous punch on the helmet, proving he's human and prone to emotion after all. Next up comes MS Dhoni's first IPL 50 at the Chepauk against the Delhi Daredevils. Playing as the ultimate power hitter, he scored 63 of just 31 deliveries. The highlight was a trademark helicopter shot against Ajit Agarkar in the last over that almost cleared the stadium roof. Before clutch was even a buzzword, MS Dhoni was the epitome of the term. In the eliminator against the mighty Mumbai Indians, Dhoni took on the entire MI attack, including Lasith Malinga. It felt like he was playing with the bowlers' lengths. He didn't discriminate between good and bad deliveries. Both shared the same fate, struck hard into the stands. The next year, on a slowish Chepauk track, CSK were chasing 160 against an SRH side that boasted Darren Sammy, Amit Mishra, Ishant Sharma and Dale Steyn at his absolute peak. Dhoni stabilized the chase after mishaps in the middle order and navigated his team through to a much-deserved victory. MS Dhoni finishing off in style against RCB is always a noteworthy sight. In IPL 2014, he scored a 49 not out at a strike rate of 175. Facing the likes of Mitch Starc and Yuzvendra Chahal, he kept his cool to win the match for CSK. 2015 was a quieter year by his standards, but his standout performance came at the MA Chidambaram Stadium. His only 50 of the season, a 53 of 25 balls against SRH, reminded everyone that he could still dismantle any attack on his day. This definitely took me back to MS Dhoni's prime years. This is just the first half of the IPL journey. Stay tuned for the next episode where we delve deeper into some of MS Dhoni's best knocks from IPL 2016 till date. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.